Guys, you remember that video that I made where I said that the Hemi is going to live on, and we've got a couple more years with the V8 Hemi, SRT Hemi, RT Hemi, all that good stuff? Yeah, so basically that was a lie. And apparently Dodge even felt that it was a lie, and they felt it so much so that they made an official statement to Motor One, and basically they said that the story is incorrect. The Hemi in that platform is going away. The next generation will be EV. So that timetable for the Hemi for about a year, yeah, that's still in play. You need to go ahead and get your Hellcat ASAP. Let's talk about it. What is going on, guys? It is your boy Knockout 360 here with another video for you guys. So as you can tell, I'm in a car. That makes it a car vlog. You already know what's going down when I come around. Let's get into it. Car content, car shows, car reviews, car meets, anything and everything car related happens on this channel. So if you're into that, make sure that you stick around because you're in the right place. For everyone else, hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you know what's coming out and when it's coming out. Check me out on patreon.com. That's www.patreon.com/knockout360 for the uncensored crazy stuff that YouTube hates. So guys, I got to be honest with you, man. It looks like I told a lie unbeknownst to me. You know, God, I wouldn't do that on purpose. It seems like a couple days ago, around July 28th, 27, 28, 29th, there were a bunch of articles stating that Dodge was going to keep the Hemi engine, the RT, the SRT, and even the Hellcat engine. They were actually going to refine it and make it more efficient and give it more power coming into 24 and beyond, right? Well, it turns out that that was a lie. And I'm looking at Inside EVs, I'm looking at Motor Authority, I'm looking at Motor1.com, I'm looking at FoxNews.com, and they're saying the same thing. Next generation Dodge Charger and Challenger will be completely electric. And that's completely electric. By the end of 2024, it appears the next gen Challenger and Charger, which are due in 2024, will be completely electric. Apparently Motor One got a Dodge rep, that's a Dodge rep, so a reputable Dodge person, emailed them and explained, based on the incorrect article that they were posting, that quote unquote, the story is incorrect. The Hemi in that platform is going away. The next generation will be BEV, completely electric. So I mean, no more Hemi, guys. No more V8. It looks like somebody posted this stuff on the web last week and ran with it, and then it looks like 4 or 5 different sites picked it up and ran with it as well. But it turns out to be a lie. So much so that Dodge actually reached out to Motor One and gave their take on it and literally explained that it was a lie and that the Dodge Charger and Challenger V8 Hemis that we all know and love, they're gone by 24. So that timetable for getting your Hellcat or your Scat Pack or your RT in the next year, yeah, that timetable still exists. You need to go ahead and get your stuff ASAP. Now, one thing that I did find interesting is that they keep saying Charger and Challenger, right? It's like, and I'm saying that to say, they're not speculating that it's going to be something else. They're not speculating that it's going to be another model car, or that we're going to lose one of the two, or we're going to lose both of them and get it replaced. They keep saying Charger and Challenger, although the Dodge rep never specifically mentioned the Charger and Challenger in his statement. He literally just said the Hemi in that platform is going away. So that could mean the Hemi in that platform, as in the Hemi that we all know, the V8 internal combustible engine that we all know, is going away, or it could mean that the Hemi in the Charger and Challenger, as we all know, is going away. But regardless, man, it looks like they're getting, you know, the Hemi is done, and they're getting ready for a 2-door electric muscle car for the future, which we've already talked about. To my understanding, they're going to be testing it out with the Ram first, which is probably what we may be seeing at the end of the month for the Dodge Speed Week when they announce, you know, their new cars and all that stuff. We've talked about that. So it may come to the Ram first, because I know the Ram was the first one to get the hybrid 5.7 system, right? The hybrid Hemi system, V8 system, right? But we're not even going to get that with the Charger and Challenger. Like, they're going straight from biggest V8s in history to no V8 at all. Now, with that being said, there have been reports of a V6 engine, and we'll talk about that in another video. I think we may have already touched on that. I'm not sure if we did. I don't remember off the top of my head. But the HEMI is gone, guys. And every platform or every media outlet that I'm looking at here has the same title. Official next gen Dodge Charger and Challenger will be completely electric. Next generation Dodge Charger and Challenger replacements confirmed as EV only, no V8s confirmed. Next gen Dodge Charger and Challenger will be electric only. Dodge says new muscle cars will definitely be all electric despite false report to the contrary. So Dodge was real quick to shut that down, and they shut it down hard, because for them to actually have one of their reps reach out to one of these media outlets and break it down like that lets you know that it's the real deal. So you know, that's how the internet goes. They'll post a story, and, you know, with your boy doing what he does. Obviously, I'm not a Dodge rep. I don't work for Dodge. But, you know, I did want to bring it to you and correct that, because I know a lot of you guys were really excited. That video actually did pretty well. So I know a lot of you guys were really excited, but unfortunately, it looks like it was all cap. The V8 HEMI will be going away, and they will be bringing the all-electric platform to the future. Now, with that being said, are they going to run an all-electric platform with the V6 alternative? That is a possibility. I've been hearing a lot about, well, we'll talk about that in another video, but I have been hearing a lot about a inline V6, oh, I'm sorry, not V6, an inline 6 engine that Dodge may be producing for the future to bring to the platform to run concurrent with the electric platforms, which would make sense, because not everybody wants to go electric. There are some people that still want an engine, you know, a combustible, gas-powered engine. You know, not everybody wants to go electric. Not everybody has that ability. Think about people that live in apartments, people that live in townhomes that can't, you know, plug their stuff up overnight. So it would make sense. It would not make sense for Dodge to go completely electric and, you know, alienate a huge segment of the market. But the V8, to my understanding, based on what they're saying, is it's a wrap, unfortunately. So needless to say, guys, the future is here, and the timetable is still upon us, which means for you RT, you Scat Pack, you Hellcat guys that want that big V8, you've got about 1.5 years to do it. And if you know anything about what Dodge has planned for next year, 2023, it seems like they're going to pull out all the stops, and they're going to pretty much give it all to us. So if you haven't already, go ahead and put your order in for your Scat or your Cat. If you're going to wait it out, then you know, it would be best for you to you know, go ahead and just prepare for the future, man. You know, because you got 1 more year to make something happen. After that, it's a wrap. As always, guys, it's been your boy Knockout 360, man. I'm sorry to bring you the bad news, but it is what it is, guys. As always, like, subscribe, comment, talk to your boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Peace.